Have you ever spent hours thinking about something, imagining every possible outcome, and ended up doing nothing? Because I have. And overthinking has probably wasted more of my time than any failure ever has. So, in this video, I will be discussing 5 things that had helped me overcome overthinking, and I've started taking action. Hi, I'm Akriti, and today we'll discuss few things which had helped me stop overthinking and actually do something productive. First paramount thing is write everything down. Like whenever overthink, so I usually take a piece of paper and write everything down, whatever is going in my mind, because that usually calms me down, and it also reminds me that everything is manageable. Because when something is going on in your mind, it feels heavy, it feels like there is no solution to it, but as soon as I write it down on a paper, it feels manageable. जब आप कभी भी ओवरथिंक कर रहे हो एंड यू आर एक्चुअली वेस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ओवर इट, सो आप उसको एक पीस ऑफ पेपर में लिख लो. आप जो भी आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है, आप उसे पेपर में लिख दो, और वो एक्चुअली वर्क करता है. का जितना स्ट्रेस आपको अपने माइंड में हो रहा था, आपको उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज यू आर फीलिंग रिलीव्ड बिकॉज यू हैव रिटन एवरीथिंग डाउन. Second would be ask yourself a question. Whenever I'm overthinking, I always ask a question to myself that will this matter a year from now? क्या ये ज़रूरी है? क्या ये कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जो बहुत क्रूशल है मेरे लिए? क्योंकि अगर वो मेरे लिए मैटर नहीं कर रहा है तो वो मेरा टाइम वेस्ट है. क्या उस टॉपिक की इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस है कि आई एम वेस्टिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन टू इट? क्या वो इतना ज़रूरी है? क्या वो मैटर करेगा 1 साल बाद भी? इट यूजुअली हेल्प्स. इट लेट्स मी नो द वर्थ ऑफ दैट टॉपिक, वट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन टू माई माइंड. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट ऑलवेज आस्क क्वेश्चन टू योर सेल्व्स. Like ask whether it is important, whether it is even needed, or you are just wasting up your time. So third would be take one small action, because whenever I overthink, I usually try to do something, because overthinking happens when we are stuck somewhere. So the fastest way possible to stop overthinking is to do something. It could be anything tiny, like studying for 10 minutes, reading books, having a healthy conversation with your parents, or whatever which could distract your mind, which would actually help you stop overthinking. And it's a very easy way to avoid overthinking. Fifth useful thing is that stay busy with meaningful things. I have noticed, like whenever I am overthinking is the time when I have nothing important to do, so then I start overthinking. So my suggestion for myself is that I should do something meaningful, because I have realized that whenever I am creating, working, or I am busy doing something productive, my mind becomes much quieter and I feel calm. Last but not the least, stop trying to be perfect. I have realized that most of the overthinking comes while we want to be perfect in everything. Doing something is far better than being perfect. So the goal is not being perfect. The goal is to do something. Like how I started posting my YouTube videos, even though they are not perfect, they are not how I imagined them to be, but I'm posting anyways. And does it matter to me? No. Is it affecting me? Not at all. So we should always remind ourselves that being perfect isn't the goal. It is not something we should run after or think about. If we are doing something and it is actually worth it, that's all. That is all what matters. So we have come to the end of the video. So I just wanted to say that I'm still learning how to deal with overthinking. I definitely haven't mastered it, but these are the things which are helping me out. And if you are someone who is overthinking a lot, maybe start doing one of these and see what happens. So this is day 7 of becoming better day by day, cause why not?